Alright guys, Anthony here, Subaru Service. I was going to make some videos. I don't know, I wound up not. I've been slacking. I'm trying to get some more videos done. We have not put the lights up. We have not power washed it. We have not done anything yet. Right now, Aaron's over there. He's pouting. He's sulking. It's this chassis has got 600,000 miles on it. It does have a Ford Reman in it. I can't imagine that it's broke. I can't imagine. I mean, it's Ford Reman, but he got a lot of life out of it. I mean, a little bit, maybe a couple years worth of work, and who knows how long since this engine has been put in. Julie shut the lights off on it. I don't, but some of it, let me turn the flash on here. It's pretty bad. Look at the transmission harness. Holy crap. No, I mean, the wires are there at least. Nothing else is. So, just an initial little video. I mean, damn. I guess the gearbox needs to be done. And we did all this for the gearbox. No. It does have power takeoff, pulley driven power takeoff off the front. I mean, it's, yeah. Just initial video here. It's getting an engine harness. He's also getting all the heat shields. I kind of didn't even ask. That's kind of just something that has to be done. They're destroyed. They're not ridiculously expensive. The engine harness, I mean, it's just destroyed. I mean, they had their way with it. Aaron does have nice trucks. He likes nice stuff, but this one was his very first truck, his first tow truck when he started the company. And it's actually got a fresh paint job. I mean, this truck, guys, look at it. I mean, it's a good looking freaking truck. I mean, it kind of helps that I washed it before we raised the cab too, so you guys can.
Hey, it broke down in a snowstorm.
You can see it broke down in a snowstorm. I'm pretty sure it dropped the lifter, but who knows? With it being a Ford Reman, I've also seen rod bushings spin. The rod bushings can spin and can grind away at the piston. The piston send metal through the engine. That metal rubs with other metal, makes metal. It just can turn it to a storm. Who knows? But I know we got metal in the oil, low pressure pump locked up. But we got this back here. Let's go look. Okay, we do have this little gem. I actually spent the last day and a half go ahead and building the short block. This is balanced rotating assembly, fresh short block, new front cover, oil pan's all pretty, everything's all pretty. I will paint this block, but I do not paint the block on the stand, obviously. I paint the block right before it goes in chassis when it's hanging on the engine hoist. I just found the rear cover. I just basically just put this engine together. Once that lifter went down, tow truck, we got to take care of our guys that take care of us. So kind of just started grabbing some parts and put it all together. And right now, that is what I would call a short block. Right there. That's what I would call a short block. I know that's not what anybody else in the world calls a short block, but that is how I would consider it. The bed plate is sealed with the front and the rear covers. It's just done all the way good. So, hang on. Oh, my machine went down too. The screen messes up. Yeah. So, what a drag. We got his truck all done. Darian went on a test drive. This is the one that we kind of just put some parts, made it run, made it work. Bates hit him back and did a test drive. It's all good. Looks like he's got a massive issue with the wheel seal back there, but this is about Aaron here, so let's oh, I don't know. I mean, there's just a lot. Is the light on? Yeah. I mean, it's rough. We got a whole bunch of, we took a bunch of time, cats are fighting. We took a bunch of time with the wires. We kept this wire. This is the controller for the self-loader. And they already had the cab off and they cut it. There's one wire broke. At least one wire broke. A lot of corrosion. Yeah, I think Aaron said he's gonna That's pretty cool. I'm not going to mess with it. He's going to go ahead and fix all those wires and make it all. We'll make sure it's heat shrunk and good to go. But then we got all the light wires. Look, I mean, they got a splice there and a splice there right in it. So it's like, oh yeah. Cone flanges on the exhaust manifolds look pretty freaking good. I mean, it's just rusted, but Ford dealers have worked on this. That's who put injectors in it, and you know, I mean, not to say that there aren't good people out there working at dealerships. I don't want to say that, but you know, this is the kind of stuff I see when stuff like that, you know. So kind of sucks, but yeah, it's time to basically go through a transformation / restoration. So we get it all. I haven't put the lights up yet. We're gonna get these heat shields off, get it power washed and painted, get all that cleaned up. Then we'll break the engine down. I'll power wash a little bit of this and then paint the top, not paint the bottom yet, set the table up, get everything taken apart, get the engine out, and then we'll pull the engine out, then we'll power wash the rest of it, final power wash, and then paint the whole frame, paint all of it. It'll be all good. I mean, that's just deep. Look at it, it's like deep. There is crap everywhere. But two-wheel drive, hey, makes it easier. Might even have to pull the transmission and freaking paint it. I don't know. That some bitch does not look good. Might as well make it good. It was definitely a leaker, but it was studded. So, hell yeah. Dirty truck. It was deleted. See the tube right there. I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do in the field, right? I mean, it is what it is. I mean, I did a bunch of it. I mean, look at that. Hell yeah. Gotta have air. This damn thing. We're gonna have to put a freaking AC kit on it. I mean, it's just, it's gonna, those of you that seen the other video, dig deep. Dig deep. No, it'll be all right. We just, I sure as hell can't leave like this. There's a lot of doings going on here, but I mean, we lost our freaking screen over the grate. Floor's all messed up. It's a freaking mess here. Honestly though, the only thing that looks bad on this truck is underneath it. But this absolutely, I mean, it's beautiful. It looks good. Even got all his fancy little lights on here and all this stuff. I mean, yeah. Glad he knows how to wire that stuff up. Hot in the ground. Cross your heart, hope it works. Just walk around. She dirty. All right, guys. Aaron's truck. So it begins. Have a good day, guys.